Mind-blowing futuristic gadgets and vehicles you need to see. Welcome to a world where imagination meets technology. In this video, explore groundbreaking gadgets and vehicles built for the future. Let's uncover the cutting-edge innovations shaping tomorrow, today. Automotive XBW. In the world of electric vehicles, the Automotive XBW stands out as a glimpse into the future. This concept is more than just an electric bus, it's a revolutionary step in transportation. The XBW features an innovative individual wheel drive system. Each wheel operates independently, powered by its own motor, brake, and gearbox. This advanced design provides exceptional agility, allowing the vehicle to handle tight city streets with ease, much like a smaller car. Its spacious cabin offers a modern, airy atmosphere, making every ride comfortable and efficient. The Automotive XBW is a true testament to the possibilities of technology and innovation in electric mobility. Google Driverless Car. In 2009, Google launched its self-driving car project with a bold goal: to complete 10 uninterrupted 100-mile routes autonomously. By 2016, the project evolved into Waymo, a dedicated autonomous driving technology company and a subsidiary of Alphabet, Google's parent company. Waymo's advanced driver assistance systems are designed to enhance road safety. They include front crash prevention systems, blind spot detection, lane departure prevention, rear crash prevention systems. These technologies have proven their effectiveness. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, systems with forward collision warnings and automatic braking can reduce rear-end crashes by 50%. Even forward collision warnings alone cut such incidents by 27%. Additionally, automatic braking systems significantly reduce rear-end collisions involving injuries. Waymo continues to lead the charge in making roads safer through innovative self-driving technology. Aresteas. The Aresteas is a luxurious 50.75-meter yacht designed for an unforgettable experience. It was crafted by Carrada's yacht design and naval architect Ferhat Taran, with stunning interiors by Aldo Viani. Built in 2017 and refitted in 2023, it combines performance with impeccable craftsmanship. The yacht accommodates up to 12 guests in 6 spacious cabins. These include a full-beam master suite that offers 180-degree panoramic views, perfect for relaxation and privacy. Aresteas is packed with amenities for entertainment and comfort. It features a glass-bottom jacuzzi, a sauna with a Himalayan salt wall, a fully equipped gym, and a home cinema room. For water enthusiasts, the yacht includes a range of exciting toys. Guests can enjoy jet skis, water skis, a sea bob, a wakeboard, kayaks, and scuba diving gear. Powered by twin MTU engines, the Aresteas cruises smoothly at 12 knots. It can reach a top speed of 14 knots and has an impressive range of 3,000 nautical miles. This yacht is available for charter in the Mediterranean, offering guests a blend of luxury, adventure, and breathtaking views. BALUCHON Flamenco. The BALUCHON Flamenco is a beautifully crafted tiny house that combines elegance with functionality. Built by the renowned French company BALUCHON, this model features a vibrant, modern design with clean lines and high-quality materials. Inside, the Flamenco offers a cozy living space with clever storage solutions. It includes a well-equipped kitchen and a comfortable sleeping loft. Large windows allow natural light to flood the interior, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The warm wood finishes add to its charm. Designed for sustainability and efficiency, the Flamenco is perfect for those seeking a minimalist, stylish lifestyle. Whether used as a primary residence, vacation retreat, or mobile home, it's the ideal choice. Hongju International Sports Center. Welcome to the Hongju International Sports Center, a world-class complex designed by Zaha Hadid Architects. Located in Hangzhou, China, this state-of-the-art venue is part of the city's new Science and Technology Cultural District. The complex includes a 60,000-seat football stadium, a 19,000-seat indoor arena, and an aquatic center with 250-meter pools. It's built to serve both amateur and professional athletes, making it a hub for sports and leisure activities. One of the most unique aspects of the sports center is its podium. This feature connects the stadium to surrounding public plazas, parks, and riverfront areas, creating a vibrant community space. The open facade of the stadium, covered with stylish louvers, offers panoramic views of the city and the nearby river. The center's layered design is inspired by the surrounding tea farms, blending modern architecture with natural beauty. This thoughtful approach transforms the complex into more than just a sports venue. It's a place for the community to gather, celebrate, and enjoy. The Hongju International Sports Center sets a new standard for urban sports facilities, providing world-class amenities in a stunning environment. It's not just a landmark, it's a new way to bring people together through the love of sports. Capstone Connected Smart Mirror. The Capstone Connected Smart Mirror is a revolutionary blend of technology and everyday living. Designed as a premium smart mirror, it elevates the concept of home convenience and style. This innovative mirror features a touchscreen interface, making it more than just a reflective surface. Users can access apps, multimedia content, and essential information effortlessly. The Capstone Connected Smart Mirror also integrates seamlessly with voice assistants, allowing for hands-free interaction. Whether it's checking the weather, managing your schedule, or streaming your favorite content, this mirror is your personal assistant. With its sleek design and advanced functionality, the Capstone Connected Smart Mirror is a perfect addition to modern homes. It combines utility with innovation, offering a smart solution for everyday needs. Secret Bracelet. The Secret Bracelet is a wearable device that turns your forearm into a functional touchscreen. Using a tiny projector and proximity sensors, it creates an interactive interface directly on your skin. With this innovative gadget, you can perform tasks like checking emails, browsing the web, or even making calls, all without taking out your phone. It's a futuristic concept that blends convenience with cutting-edge technology. However, the journey from concept to reality has been challenging. While the idea has sparked significant interest, development has faced delays. As of now, the Secret Bracelet remains in the prototype stage. There is no confirmed timeline for mass production or widespread availability. Despite these hurdles, the Secret Bracelet continues to capture imaginations, offering a glimpse into the potential future of wearable technology. One X Eve. The One X Eve is a versatile humanoid robot designed to work alongside humans. With its multi-terrain wheels, it can easily navigate different environments, from homes to offices. Equipped with advanced AI and embodied learning, Eve understands and responds to natural language commands. It can perform tasks like cleaning, fetching objects, and even adapting to new situations over time. Its strong design and safety features make it ideal for human interaction, working collaboratively in various settings. The One X Eve has potential applications across many industries. In retail, logistics, and healthcare, it can assist with tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity. SkyWay Technology. SkyWay is a revolutionary transportation solution designed with impressive advantages. Its unique vehicles glide above the ground on specially designed rail string overpasses, creating an efficient and futuristic travel experience. This elevated design isn't just about looks, it optimizes aerodynamics and increases speed, while offering an impressive level of safety. By using space efficiently, SkyWay promotes the smart use of land and resources, making it an ideal option for both urban and rural areas. One of SkyWay's biggest strengths is its minimal environmental impact. It provides a sustainable choice for both cargo and passenger transport, aligning with a growing need for eco-friendly solutions. With full-scale prototypes of tracks and rolling stock already successfully implemented, SkyWay has proven the practicality and efficiency of its technology. This multi-level solution has the potential to transform the transportation sector, making travel easier, safer, and more comfortable for everyone. Better.Bike Pebl. The Pebl is a tough yet eco-friendly ride made from a hemp and soy composite. It ditches traditional fiberglass and plastic for a greener alternative. Whether it's a blazing summer or a rainy winter, the Pebl keeps you covered, literally. Its doors can roll up for a breezy summer ride or zip down to keep you warm in the cold. There's even an optional heater for added comfort. The Pebl pedals like a bike but also comes with electric assistance. It has a range of 25 miles on a single charge. Need to go further? Add up to 3 extra batteries to extend your range to 100 miles. It's packed with car-like features, including reverse, cruise control, and a USB port for your gadgets. The Pebl cruises at a top speed of 20 miles per hour and is classified as an e-bike. That means no insurance or registration hassles. It's also practical. The rear compartment can haul groceries or even kids, making it perfect for errands or family rides. Hermeus Quarterhorse. The Hermeus Quarterhorse is a groundbreaking hypersonic aircraft prototype. It's designed to reach speeds of Mach 5, making it one of the fastest planes ever envisioned. Powered by a hybrid turbine-based combined cycle (TBCC) engine, the Quarterhorse can seamlessly transition from jet propulsion to ramjet, allowing it to achieve hypersonic speeds. This technology can drastically reduce travel times. For example, it can fly from New York to London in just 90 minutes. The Hermeus Quarterhorse is part of a larger vision to develop both commercial and defense hypersonic aircraft. It represents a bold step forward in the future of ultrafast, high-efficiency aviation. Kea Atmos Mk1. The team at Kea Aerospace has set ambitious goals with their latest creation, the Kea Atmos Mk1. It's New Zealand's first solar-powered stratospheric drone. With a wingspan of 12.5 meters and weighing just 40 kilograms, this UAV can launch from the roof of a car. Right now, it can fly for up to 16 hours. Future versions aim to extend this flight time to several months. Impressively, the Kea Atmos Mk1 can already reach altitudes of 15 kilometers, higher than most passenger planes. Designed for aerial photography, the Kea Atmos Mk1 offers a more cost-effective alternative to hiring a pilot and provides more convenience than using traditional methods. Silence S04 Micro Car. Let's head to Spain, the home of the Silence S04 Micro Car. This compact vehicle is from an electric scooter manufacturer and is often called a four-wheeled scooter due to its small size. Measuring just 2.3 by 1.3 meters, it's designed for urban convenience. Despite its size, the features are impressive. The S04L7E offers 2 seats, a range of 148 kilometers on a single charge, and a top speed of 84 kilometers per hour. The standard package includes air conditioning, heating, a Bluetooth audio system, a digital dashboard, and electric windows. It has everything you need for a comfortable ride. According to European laws, you only need a moped license to drive this microcar. Best of all, it's affordable, with a price starting at just $8,000. ZOSH Trottinette. The ZOSH Trottinette is an all-terrain electric scooter built for adventure and performance. With its 20-inch fat wheels and robust suspension fork, it delivers exceptional comfort and smooth handling on various terrains, including asphalt, sand, and snow. Weighing between 33 and 38 kilograms, depending on the motor setup, this scooter can support riders up to 140 kilograms. Its durable design ensures reliability, even for heavy users. The scooter is powered by either 1 or 2 Bafang 750W motors, offering impressive performance. To match its power, it features 4-piston hydraulic brakes, either Shimano or Magura, which provide stopping power comparable to downhill mountain bikes. The ZOSH Trottinette comes equipped with a removable 35Ah lithium-ion battery, which charges fully in just 2.5 hours. This high-capacity battery allows for extended rides, whether you're commuting through the city or exploring rugged trails. Reflective tires and an LCD screen enhance safety and convenience, showing real-time speed and assistance settings. The ZOSH Trottinette is the perfect choice for urban commuting or off-road exploration. Giraffa Nap. The Giraffa Nap is an innovative napping box designed to let people sleep comfortably while standing. Created by Kyoku Plywood Corporation, it offers padded head, buttocks, shin, and foot supports, allowing for a restful nap without compromising posture. The POD's interior creates a peaceful environment with adjustable lighting, air quality, and soundproofing. It's available in 2 color schemes, Forest and Spacia. The Forest model has a cozy, sauna-like feel, while the Spacia model offers a more futuristic space shuttle vibe. Perfect for workplaces, cafes, and even airports, both models feature height-adjustable arm pads and a washable seat for added comfort. Starting January 23, 2024, interested buyers can place a reservation for the Giraffa Nap on the company's website. Snow E. The Snow E is an innovative electric snow vehicle designed for adventure enthusiasts who love to explore snow-covered terrains. Powered by electric motors, it offers a cleaner, more eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered snowmobiles, significantly reducing emissions and noise pollution. Key features of the Snow E include its lightweight design, optimized for agility on snow. It also boasts a robust battery system that provides an extended range for long winter adventures. The vehicle's electric drivetrain delivers instant torque, allowing for smooth acceleration, even in deep snow conditions. Additionally, the Snow E is equipped with an advanced suspension system, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride, even on rough snowy terrains. This makes it perfect for those who seek thrilling yet sustainable winter adventures.